So I'm a swine veterinarian and I'm also a swine farm owner. I'm trying as much as I can to spend time on both sides. As a swine veterinarian, I would be doing routine visits, but then you also have those visits where you just call out to fix a problem. Before, as a vet, I didn't know, am I going to see a catastrophe today, or am I going to be here and there is no reason for me to be here? So you never knew this unless the farmer stressed the point and said you need to come now. Farmers' life is getting very complicated nowadays. I was trying to get this connection with the farmers because as a veterinarian, you're focusing your daily life obviously on the well-being of animals, the health of a farm. And I just wanted to understand that and find this connection with our clients. What's happening? Why are they being preoccupied? Artificial intelligence helped us tremendously in this way because having a remote device telling you where you should be right now really helps you to prioritize your day and prioritize your weekly structure because you're going to solve problems. Fixing problems becomes more easy this way and faster.
The important thing is that it doesn't only look out for the respiratory health status of your farm, it also tells you connecting dots in between. So it tells you the temperature, it tells you the humidity. Could it be a ventilation issue that is basically causing this? Or could it be purely a disease like PRRS virus or like influenza or mycoplasma? It gives you all these details and it makes you able to act faster.
We have more proof of this diagnosis, and this way we tremendously help the welfare of the animals and the economics of the farmer. I go in there, it takes me very short time to analyze the situation and then go on about the rest of my day. So it really focuses everything in and I'm more relaxed about it, I'm more time effective about it and still have healthier pigs than I had yesterday. And that's really the biggest change in my life that this did.